Hello, Professor. I'm Jinakunta Leela Harpra. So today I'm gonna speak about my reading assignment paper 10, which is about the optimization of water quality monitoring programs by data mining. So coming to the reference, so this is the reference which I have taken. And coming to the purpose, so water monitoring is an important management and planning activity. Water quality is presently influenced by a variety of factors because it's a disciplinary area of research that is inextricably tied to public health, poverty alleviation, environmental preservation, and social and economic growth. So, we employed data mining in the study to create data driven models to improve the WQ MPs of 35 monitoring stations located over 27 watersheds in Brazil's southwest, southeast, and south. So, due to clustering methodologies and field variables, it was intended to limit the number of experimental WQPs that autonomous probes may evaluate. So, the potential of this methodology was evaluated by analyzing 60 WQPs in a variety of chronological, geographical, and water quality conditions. So, coming to the related literature, Deepika Gupta and Ankita Nainwal talked about real time water quality monitoring and management to preserve water during a crisis. So, coming to the research design and strategy, three factors influence the selection of monitoring stations for the investigation. One being spatial homogeneity. Second, whether stations must have 90 or more data collection observations. Moral lowers than this are insufficient for pattern harvesting due to the few observations. And third, the surface water of the terminals should present various patterns of variability according to the methodology. And fourth, observatories must be located in different regions of Brazil in order to assess the extent of the study methodologies using excellent spatial generalization. Coming to the results, discussions, and conclusions, the conclusions of this inquiry are presented in three steps. The findings of one of the watersheds covered in the study are supplied and examined to contextualize WQMP optimization example. So, using these existing explanatory models, managers can improve the WQMP at these stations. So, this technique allows for the calculation and broad measurement of research laboratory parameters. Coming to the contribution, this method could minimize the frequency of lab analysis while increasing the temporal and spatial coverage of water quality monitoring networks. Coming to the section 2 overall assessment, the author offered several research methodologies that were applied to enormous data sets in an easy to read essay. The author also talked about several analytical approaches in data processing. The author of the poem kept a study pace. I quickly grasped the study's methodologies and the author's approach rate. Coming to the research methodology, although the study protocols were a little complicated for my understanding, the author's step by step description made them easy to follow. The datasets were extracted and used using correlative rule mining and other techniques. The conclusions of this inquiry are presented in this article. Coming to the future research, compliance with crucial water monitoring criteria in areas where infrastructure, financial, and human resources are insufficient. Coming to the new knowledges learned, through this project, I learned about a variety of research approaches such as data preparation for the large dataset, qualitative statistics of the dataset, sequential rules mining for extractive summarization, and WQMP optimization. Section 3. So, coming to the questions, can data be used to optimize sampling strategies and reduce the cost of water quality monitoring programs? And how can data mining be used in combination with other technologies such as sensors and remote sensing to improve water quality monitoring? Thank you, Professor.